Hello my friends, here's SkyLab Zaamslag, the Netherlands. It is Sunday 11th of July 2021 and I have some pretty good news, ain't we doggy? I ordered a drone, so that one is on his way. So we're gonna upload more drone footage. And I'm gonna try to fly with the daytime UFO orbs with the drone. I'm gonna try it. But anyway, the other second good news is this week I buy a new laptop with a very good video card, so I can edit more videos in higher quality, and my new drone footage. So stay tuned. It's very good news. I'm very happy about it. And stay safe, healthy, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. This was SkyLab Zaamslag, the Netherlands. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. Thank you.